In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Zap in Zapier. Whether you're cleaning up old automations or removing something you no longer need, I'll walk you through the exact steps and share a few pointers to help you avoid common mistakes. Deleting a Zap is permanent, so it's worth taking a moment to double-check you're removing the right one. First, head to Zapier.com and log into your account. Once you're in the dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Zaps. This takes you to a list of all your automations. If you're part of multiple workspaces or teams, make sure you're viewing the correct one so you're looking at the right set of Zaps. Next, find the Zap you want to delete. You can scroll through your list, but if you have a lot of automations, the search bar at the top is the fastest way to locate it. Type the name or a keyword, and when you see it, click the Zap to open it. This brings you into the Zap editor. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct Zap by glancing at the trigger and actions, and make sure it's not something still in use. If you're unsure, consider turning it off instead of deleting it. But if you're confident, let's proceed. In the editor, look near the Zap's title for the gear icon, which opens Settings. Click that, then choose Delete Zap from the menu. Zapier will ask you to confirm, so click Yes, Delete. Keep in mind, once you delete a Zap, it's removed from your account and its automation will stop immediately. There's no undo, so this confirmation step is your final checkpoint. If you ever think you might need the setup later, duplicating the Zap before deleting is a good habit. But if you're sure, the confirmation will complete the removal. Now, let's verify the deletion. Go back to your Zaps list by using the sidebar link to Zaps or the back option in your browser. Refresh the page if needed, then check that the Zap no longer appears. If you used the search earlier, try searching again to confirm it's gone. If you don't see it in the list or search results, the deletion was successful. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to locate a Zap, open it, delete it from the settings menu, and confirm it's been removed from your account. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share.